Okay, welcome to a 4-bedroom remodeled unit in Ewa Beach, West Loch Estates. Split AC downstairs and in the primary bedroom. This is where you can mount a TV. If you don't want that mounted, we have the wood that goes in here, like a jigsaw puzzle, and that can be covered up. Nice lighting, nice countertops, new kitchen. Glass top stubbing, exhaust fan, microwave, no dishwasher in this home. New blinds, new windows downstairs, new blinds upstairs. This is a Maytag refrigerator. The thing with this, the ice maker does not work, but it does dispense water and ice. But the ice maker will not make ice. That's not planned to get repaired. Pantry here. What used to be a bedroom is now a laundry room. A huge laundry room. Nice full-size washer and dryer, sink, plenty of storage space. Good lighting, new blinds in here. Walk out to your 2-car garage and 2 parking spots in front. Water heater out here, electric water heater, no solar panels. All the locks have been changed to 1 key to all exterior doors. Walk back inside. We'll go upstairs next. Downstairs you have a remodeled bathroom with a stand-up shower. Nice tile on the wall. Little closet here. And a large closet for storage under the stairs. And walk upstairs. Carpeted upstairs. The carpet was professionally cleaned twice. He come back an extra day because we had a cat in the house before. And there's a small odor of a cat. Carpet is pretty new though, so we don't plan on replacing the carpet. As you walk upstairs, you have a bathroom here on the left. Wood floor, countertops are new. Bathtub, shower enclosure is new. This window has a crack in it, and that's on order to be repaired. We've already ordered the part. First on the left is a bedroom with a wall AC in it. New blinds in all the rooms. Come out here, you have a hallway. Second bedroom on the left, you have a window AC unit. Wall unit in here. It's a wall unit, but I call it a window AC unit. No closet doors. You have a shower curtain, a curtain rod, and a curtain there. No overhead lights in these rooms. This is your third bedroom. This does have closet doors. 2 of them. Window AC unit, new blinds. And then you go in here to your primary bedroom. Large bedroom with a split AC unit with a remote. Big windows. This butts up against Fort Weaver Road. This house behind us is a 2-bedroom house that is occupied by the owner's father. So you don't have access to that or the backyard. There's not much of a backyard anyway. And we'll go over that in a second. You got a little desk in here, a built-in. Closets here. No doors on these closets. And then your remodeled bathroom in here as well. Nice shower, beautiful, gorgeous shower. Little pantry area here for towels, sheets, whatever. Plenty of lighting, good lighting in here. 2 windows, 2 medicine cabinets. Nice wood floors. So the way the electricity and water will work is it's on a ratio-based system. So depending on how many people live in this home, the square footage of this home, and the older man in the back in his 2-bedroom, 1 person lives in there. So we will ratio the water and electric. It will stay in the owner's name, and the owner will get the bill. We'll send it to us. We will divide it up as appropriate, and then it'll get the bills will be sent out to you. Put a new screen security door up when we change all the locks. and replace that light fixture. So this is about as far as you can go on this house, to this little divider here, and that's the home back there. Share the utilities and the garbage here, and landscaping is beyond the tenants, but that's just the bushes here. And then this gate remains locked. You'll have 2 keys. The other guy will have a key. And then as you enter, you come through here, go to your room, your house. He'll go to his. You rarely see him. He always parks there in that black car by the mailbox. So you have 2 parks, 2 spots in the garage and 2 outside the garage. And that's about it. It's a nice home, updated. We just put a lot of effort into cleaning it and getting it ready to go. And the last thing we're waiting on is that window to be repaired. And I got to change the door handle on the master bedroom, primary bedroom. Other than that, hope you enjoyed the tour.